Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Essa and I am so glad to have you guys here. So as you've seen in the title for this video, today I'm going to be doing a review on the Nokia 8.3 5G phone, which has just come into the market. And to be honest, first of all, how cool does this back cover look? And other than this phone being James Bond's phone in the new Bond movie, No Time to Die, it has so many other cool features that I'm going to be discussing today, and I'm so looking forward to you guys seeing how much this phone has to offer. So on the left side we have the fingerprint scanner, the volume key, and the SIM slot. On the right side we have the Google Assistant button. At the bottom we have the microphone, speaker, the Type-C charging port, and the 3.5mm jack. So when it comes to the screen, it has a 6.81-inch screen, which is LCD, and it has the 60Hz refresh rate, but it's still pretty fast. Now that you looked at the look and feel of the phone, let's just get into how amazing and sleek this phone looks like. First of all, as I was saying earlier, the back cover of this phone, it is one of those phones that looks so good you really won't be wanting to put a cover on it, just because you're going to be hiding the beauty. And Nokia went all out on this back cover, and they call this the polar shade, which is the only color that the phone is available in, but we are not complaining. And the phone is pretty massive, but like I told you guys before, I really like big phones. It is really quite a bulky phone, but for me that is a good thing because I like to feel the presence of my phone. It is 8.9mm thick, and it has a 6.81-inch screen, which means that your viewing on this phone is going to be on another level. Anything that you're going to be watching on this phone or gaming on this phone is just going to be at an ultimate viewing pleasure. And Nokia has put in the Pure Display, which is amazing because basically what it does is to dynamically enhance everything by adjusting the color, contrast, and brightness according to whatever you're doing. So that's why you can see that it has photo, original, video, reading, and gaming, so that it basically detects what you're doing on your phone and it adjusts the phone to what you're doing. So typically when you get hold of a new phone, the first thing you look at is the camera. And for me, this phone, it pretty much sold me the first instant I looked at the camera, because the camera quality is just amazing. And the fact that Nokia usually partners up with Zeiss for its lenses means that the camera quality is even much better than many typical phones. So for me, when I looked at the camera, I was pretty much sold. I didn't need to know anything else about the phone, but there were so many other amazing features, of course. And we're just going to look at the cameras of the phone and just give you a snippet of what the phone can do. So when it comes to the back camera, it has a quad lens, which is made up of the 64 megapixel pure view, the 12 megapixel wide lens, the 2 megapixel macro, and the 2 megapixel depth sensor. So this is what the camera looks like on 4K. So you can see the quality is pretty much amazing. It's like you're getting the quality right out of a camera. This is what it looks like on me. So I wouldn't have a problem with vlogging with this camera really, because the quality is just amazing. When it comes to the selfie camera, it has a 24 megapixel lens. So guys, this is how the front camera looks like. So I just want to show you the clarity in case you'd want to use this as a vlogging camera. So you can see it's pretty much so clear that it shows all the flaws on your face. And yeah, so that's what it looks like. You can see that it looks as clear as many back cameras, so you wouldn't even have a problem with vlogging with this kind of quality. When it comes to the software of the phone, let me first start by saying that Nokia gives you 3 years of Android security updates and 2 years of OS upgrades. And basically what that means is for the next 3 years and 2 years, you're going to be getting updates on your phone for it to be the latest version of what is in the market when it comes to softwares. And I have seen that for myself because, as you guys know, I am using the Nokia 7, and it didn't come, when it came out there was no Android 10, but for me, when Android 10 came out, I was able to get that on my phone without any hassle, without downloading anything. It just came straight to the phone and it updated itself. So that is really promising, considering that Android 11 is going to be coming out pretty soon, and in this time frame of 2 years, it also means that you might be able to still be on the bandwagon for Android 12. So at the moment, the Nokia phone comes with the Android 10, and it also comes with the Snapdragon 765G, which basically means that your gaming experience is going to be amazing. And when I tried this out, I was basically glued to the game that I was playing, and it just makes your gaming experience a bit better, especially with the pure display that has been installed into the phone. So the phone comes with 6 GB RAM and 64 GB of space, but because you're going to be needing space for your cool 4K videos, you're going to be able to add in a memory card so you can have more space, and that's pretty much it when it comes to software. When it comes to battery, the phone has a 4500 milliampere battery, which basically means that when you're using the phone heavily throughout the day, you can have a full day of usage and you can still be left with about 20% at the end of the day. And when it comes to Nokia, they have the battery saver mode, which basically usually runs a long way. And what that means is, with mid usage for normal people, this phone can give you up to 2 days of battery. And that for me is really a plus because you don't need to be charging your phone every single day. So now that we've gone through all the amazing features of this phone, I know you're wondering how much this phone costs. And this amazing, cool, sleek looking phone will basically take you 60,000 Kenya shillings. And for me, that is a good price considering everything that comes with this phone, from the camera to the pure display to the Snapdragon to the battery. It basically shows you how much Nokia values your money. So another cool thing about this phone is when you buy it, you get the Nokia Power Earbuds Lite, which come with the phone for free, and that is for every single person who buys the phone, not an offer that has a limited number of people. So that is a plus. Unfortunately, I don't have the earbuds with me, but I'm going to be putting up a photo somewhere around the screen. And with that, that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you learned something new as always, and I hope you do consider this phone, given the fact that it has so many amazing features. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you do consider subscribing to my channel to support my channel and to help me to produce more videos. Give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.